Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen here. Today I have for you a simple DIY to kind of dress up your plastic clear set of drawers to store things in and make them much more cute and nice to show off in your room. You could see here I took my plastic drawers out. The napkins are on the table right there. In this project I did cut them into strips, so I got the design pattern I wanted to lay out on my drawers. I next Mod Podged them on. I added a decorative rhinestone finish at the top, and then I added some decorative ribbon strips on the sides to finish up the project. And that was it. Thanks guys for watching my DIY. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Hit that bell icon so you get notified of all my future uploads. Thank you for watching. See you soon. Bye.